guys, Junior Chef Alex are here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make chocolate chip cookies. So I know that I haven't been posting for a while. I'm trying to stay consistent and keep on doing what I'm doing with my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see more cooking videos, challenges, all of it, all the type of content that I do on my channel right now is what I'm going to continue doing. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family. I thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and stay safe. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make chocolate chip cookies. So first what you need is, you need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 large white eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. But I'm going to be using lemon in here since I didn't have any salt as a substitute. And then 1 cup of butter. And you're going to need to soften it, but I just melted it because I couldn't soften it. And then all you just need is the rest of the chocolate chips from Great Value or from Walmart. So now once you have all of your ingredients, you're going to get a small bowl and you're going to mix in all of the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, and salt. But instead of the salt, I'm going to be using the lemon, like I said, because I'm substituting it for salt since I didn't have any at this time. Once you have all the dry ingredients mixed well together, then you're going to get a big bowl and mix in the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, and the 1 cup of softened butter. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, then you're going to whisk it up until it looks nice and creamy and smooth. Nice, creamy, and smooth. Then you're going to add in your vanilla extract and just mix it in with the mixture. Next, you want to get your 2 eggs and mix them individually. So you're going to crack the first egg, mix it in, then crack the second egg and mix that in. Once you are done mixing in your eggs, then you're going to add in the flour mixture slowly and gradually. So you're going to put a little bit of the flour mixture inside of the butter mixture and whisk that. Then you're going to add a little bit more once it's fully mixed. Once you are done adding in the flour, mixing up the flour, then you're going to add in all of the chocolate chips, the whole entire package. Then you're going to use a baking spatula and just fold fold the chocolate chips in. So now you're going to get 1 tablespoon and scoop the cookie mixture out and put it onto a greased baking pan. Once you have your cookies on the baking sheet, then you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once it's done preheating, you can just pop them right in. Once you take them out, they should be golden brown. So this is how the cookies turned out. And since you just took them out of the oven, you want to let them cool for about 2 minutes. And this is the end product. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. Share this video with your friends and family. And comment down below what you guys liked about this video. Tell me if you tried this recipe or not and what you liked about it. Was it good? Did it turn out great? Thank you guys for watching. Bye!